Yum. What did you eat? Beans? Are you finding more? That's kind of disgusting. Yum. Yum. Yummy? Mmm. Mmm. Beans? Beans? Can you say beans? Can you say beans? Yum. You're so messy.
Don't touch my cufflinks. Just leave them there. I'm gonna wear them tomorrow, baby. I'm gonna use them tomorrow. Then tomorrow night.
What? Yeah. You want some water? 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 Can you do it? Water? No? Water? Do what you need. Water? No? What? Water? Eat? Water? You're so messy. Are you ready for the bathtub? It's time for a bath. It's time for a bath. Did you find one? You have more down there? No, those are dirty hands. Those are dirty hands. No. Austin, can you say bye? You ready to go to the bathtub? Good boy. Beautiful singing. Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. You had 3 bowls, Austin. I think you had plenty. Oh, but you got another one. I know, it's dirty from the last time you kids were in there.
Mommy, so I can watch TV naked.
Okay. Abby, come look at your brother.
Okay. You say so. You even have some on your nose. And look at your tray.
He's been finding beans in his chair and eating them.
You're crazy, buddy. It's crazy. You're crazy, Zach. Mama, how about we get some wipes?
Oh, careful.
How about I get some wipes from your room to wipe his tray down?
No, baby, I'm just going to put it in the sink and wash it.
Why?
Because it's too dirty for wipes. Looky there.
My booty is too big for eating animal food. I'm gonna go check on Daddy.
Okay. Doggone? I don't know what you want up there. You want some cheese? Do you want more cheese? What? Oh. No, I don't want that. Yuck. What are you doing? Oh. You watch out, mister. Can you sing again? That was so beautiful. Can you sing? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Are we done? Yeah, let's go to the bathtub, okay? Bathtub? Yay! Out. You ready to get out? Out. Okay. Bye.